Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at assembling the torch. The first thing we're going to do is start to look at creating sub-assemblies and an assembly. So we're going to do an assembly drawing. So to do this we're going to go to the top, and when we create a new file, we don't want to create a part file now, we want to create an assembly drawing. So I'm going to click standard millimeter part there. So notice it's in blue, standard millimeters again, not the inches one, and create. And it should load up there. And I want to place. So I'm going to click place, and I want to place a part in. So I'm going to put the head in first, head 2, and open, and I'm going to bring that in. I'm going to left click, right click, and OK, and we'll notice that's the head in. Then I want to place the lens in there now, so I'm going to place the lens and open, and I'll bring that in. Now that needs to sit within the torch head, so I need to rotate that through the white. I'm going to rotate it through the X direction, so it's that way around there, and OK. Now we need to put it to place, so I'm just going to orbit round, and it's a bit of skillful manoeuvring here, but if I click join, and I'm going to select that face there, and you'll notice that it's selected the middle. You see the green dot in the middle is showing the centre, so all our join is around that centre point there, so I'm going to click that bit there, and I want to I'm going to move my command box around, and I'm going to use the orbit tool, and I want to then, if you look at there, it's selected that inside face, and it's got that center point there. So if I select that inside face there, it's going to move that there, and it's going to sit inside it. I'm going to click apply. The apply is the important bit. If I don't click apply, it will put it together, but it won't stick it together, so the parts will move around. So I'm going to click apply, and I'm going to select that there. And if we look at that there, we'll notice there's a little legend there, so we can see the two separate parts. We've got the lens, and we've got the outside part of the head. I'm then going to orbit around, and we need to bring in the LED plate. So I'm going to place in the LED plate. So find the LED plate, which is there, and open. I've brought it in. Now that needs to be rotated around, so there's going to be some rotating here through the... it doesn't need to go through the X die, it needs to rotate. And I bring that in like that. OK, and I should delete that one. That in place, and we use the same sort of format. This time I'm going to select click my joint tool, select the inside face, but make sure the center point is active, and I'm going to orbit back inside it, and I can select this inside edge there, and you'll notice that green dot in the middle, and I can put that in place there, click apply, and that is in place. So I'm going to save this, file, save as, inside head. And in the next video we'll pull the whole head together.